All right, we got this great SONGMICS store file cabinet. I'm going to tell you right now, potentially my favorite part about this file cabinet is it comes completely assembled with everything except for the wheels on the bottom. As you can see, the wheels right here. That also, let me actually just open this up really quick. So it's got those wheels at the bottom that you install, within probably less than 5 minutes. It also comes with these feet right here. So if you don't want to use wheels, you can have it just be completely stationary by using these. But you also, on the wheels, you can lock them. You can lock the wheels in place, so that's amazing. But this thing is great. You can hold up to 33 pounds in this drawer, 33 pounds in this drawer, 44 pounds in this drawer. So like I unlocked it just a little bit ago, so this opens. If I lock it, it now locks, it doesn't just lock the top drawer, it also locks this drawer and this drawer. So the whole thing is locked. But this thing is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock it. And it comes with this nice little tray right here. Here's the instructions for everything you need. You wanna put the wheels on, it comes with this as well. But that's amazing, amazing, and amazing. This is gonna be the best drawer right here for your files. So all your regular size files, your legal size files, holds up to 44 pounds of files in here. As well as it's a nice steel vibe with the matte black. It comes in 3 different colors. This is the matte black, which I really love. And I'm gonna go ahead and lock this up. 2 keys right here, one right here, one right here. They both work. And straight up, dude, this file cabinet is just top notch. So this is gonna be great to put either next to your desk, maybe next to a bookshelf, in your office. You could even use this in your garage. This thing's amazing, and I highly recommend it to you.